Hey guys, so let's look at a procedural fluid shader for Unreal Engine 5. Now this is ideal for bottles or any other objects that contain water, where you want to see the water moving around within the object. So firstly, you're going to want to go to the link in the description and download this fluid shader for Unreal Engine 5. And then once you've done that, I'll see you over in Unreal Engine. So once you have downloaded the procedural fluid shader, you're going to want to open the project up, and I have imported a wine bottle here for demonstration purposes. So if I open up this bottle and I select m_fake fluid, we'll go for the instance here. Here you can see the fluid inside the bottle is moving around, and you also have the transparency of the glass itself. So if I go over to the material instance here, we can have a play around with some of the settings. So I want a green bottle in this case. I'm going to make it dark green. Some of the other things you can change here, for example, the water body, you can change water color. So let's go with a more sort of reddish tint to it, which you can see here. Other settings you can change is the roughness of the glass. You can change the amount of stains, the intensity of them. And that is it, guys. That is a very, very good procedural fluid asset that you can download and apply to your bottles and other objects with fluid inside. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to check out my other videos, and I will see you in the next one.